Welcome back, future makers. If you're new here, make sure to check out part 1 of our Arduino series where we introduce the Arduino Uno board and its main components. Link to the part 1 is here. You can click and see the part 1 of our Arduino series. Today we are taking that knowledge, bringing it life. We are going to write our very first Arduino program or sketch as we call it, as to make an LED blink, nothing but on and off of an LED. This is the hello world of physical computing and it's incredibly satisfying. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install Arduino IDE, connect your board and upload your very first sketch and understand the basic structure of Arduino code. Let's get blinking. Before we start, here is what you all need this for this project. Arduino Uno board, USB A to B cable. This is the cable where you connect your Arduino to your computer, and a computer or laptop. Any Mac and Linux or Windows, any of the computer or laptop is used. An LED, 220 ohm resistor, and a breadboard is necessary. If you are having any breadboard, you can take it, or else no need of any breadboard. Alright, step 1. Getting the software ready. Well, we need the Arduino IDE, nothing but integrated development environment. First, open your web browser and go to official Arduino website. Go to Google Chrome and search Arduino IDE and go to the first link on the Google search. Open it. Now here is the Arduino IDE, the versions. Make sure you install the latest version of Arduino IDE. Here is for Windows 10 and 64 bits, and this is for Linux and Mac OS. You can download it from here, and the old Arduino IDEs. So make sure you install the new version of Arduino IDE. Now I have here Windows, so I'm clicking Windows. Just download, not subscribe, just download. Now it's downloading here. As you can see, the next, once downloaded, run the installer. Once the downloaded of Arduino IDE, open the file, and as you can see, it's showing Arduino IDE setup. Click I agree and select for you, or and browse the file, means where the sketches and programs should be stored. You can change here. The next, click the install button. Wait for it to install. As you can see, it's showing the Arduino IDE setup is finished. As this pop up, make sure you tick mark this run Arduino IDE, so that if you Hit the finish button, it automatically open the Arduino IDE. Now click the finish button. Wait for few minutes or few seconds. It would take time to open the software. So here is our Arduino software. So here is all the items. So here is the sketchbook and this is cloud. If you sign in, you can store your projects, and the boards manager, you can search boards and install them. And this is the libraries manager, means for a few codes it require few external libraries. I'll teach you in our upcoming tutorial videos about all these functions. Now we are going to write a blink sketch. Now we would write where the LED pin goes to. So we are write int LED pin equals to digital pin number 13 on Arduino Uno. So here you can place any of the digital pins except 0 and 1. Here I have placed the 13 digital pin because of the built-in LED in Arduino Uno. If you don't want to attach external LED, make sure how it is the Arduino is working. So put the LED pin number as 13. Then next, in void setup mode, we'll set up the LED pin as output, means LED pin is as giving output voltage. We'll write pin mode LED pin comma space I output, so that this would be output. The LED pin will be set as output. In setup mode, it is used to set up the functions, means like what it would do. And here is the main code where you could run repeatedly. Void setup is for to run once, where void loop is for to run repeatedly. So here to turn on and off LED, we're gonna use digital write code. Digital write brackets open, LED pin as I, comma, we'll put this as I, so that it would on the LED. I means turning on the LED. To run this smoothly, we're gonna add few gap between them, so that we can know that our Arduino Uno is working properly. So we'll add a delay between them. Delay of 1000. 1000 equals to 1 seconds. 1000 equals to 1 seconds. If you can add a delay of 2 seconds, means you can change it from 1000 to 2000. I'll keep it as 1000 only. And next, again, for turning on LED, we have write a code. To turn off, we are writing again as a digital code. digital right, brackets. Here low means turning off an LED, high means turning on the LED, low means turning off the LED. So make sure you write it correctly. And again we are here adding a delay. So when the LED pin is on, there is a 1 second delay. When there is a LED pin is off, so there would be no delay, and again it would not on the LED. So we'll add a delay between the turning off LED. Here also the delay would be 1000, means 1 second. You can change here to 2 seconds or 3 seconds. I would make it as 1 second each. So now here is the code. As we wrote this code, to upload the code to your Arduino Uno, connect your Arduino to your PC or laptop. Now go to Tools section and Board. In that, Arduino AVR boards, and select Arduino Uno as board. So after selecting, you can select here also. So select other board and port, search for Uno and select and comport. If you didn't find any ports which is connected to your Arduino Uno, remove your Arduino Uno from your PC or laptop and now check the ports available here. Click show all ports. If there is nothing, now here I have COM port 1, 2, 3. Now you can connect your Arduino Uno to your computer. After connecting, see the extra port. I was having 1, 2 and 3. In our next video we gonna add external LED to it. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe that you won't miss our tutorials. That was a big step and you nailed it. If this tutorial helped you to make your LED blinks sketch, please give a thumbs up. It helps me know these tutorials are very useful to you. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Arduino projects and tutorials. Have you got any questions or problems? Drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, happy making, and I'll see you in your part 3. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe for more videos.